Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am here to share an honest review about a shampoo that I got my hands on. Now, I as a person love natural and herbal products, which is when I decided to buy this and share my honest review with all my viewers. And the shampoo that I am talking about is the Khadi Herbals shampoo in the Amla and Bringaraj range. Now, Khadi as a brand is a mix of ancient Ayurveda and modern science, and it makes all herbal and natural products for skin, hair and body. And this shampoo is easily available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, etc. So you can definitely check it out. Now, moving to the packaging of the shampoo, like you can see, it is a plastic bottle, and also the cap is very easy to open and close and is very sturdy, so there will be absolutely no product fallout. It has a total of 210 ml product, which is pretty amazing for the price that it offers, and it is compact in size and also very lightweight, which makes it travel friendly as there is no worries of the bottle breaking or it occupying too much place. Usually shampoos are white in color, however this shampoo has a very unique and different color to it. It has a darkish blue black color, and the consistency in my opinion is quite okay, as I tried this product with oil and without oil. And without oil it did get rid of all the impurities, but it made my hair dry and frizzy. And with oil it was a task removing the oil from my hair, because I had to use double triple the amount, which didn't work for me. And the fragrance also has a very strong herbal smell to it, which I am not a big fan of. The ingredients of this shampoo are Bringaraj, Methi, Neem, Henna, Bhangra, glycerine, hibiscus, almond and mustard oil. And the two main ingredients that are infused in this shampoo are Amla and Bringaraj. Now, talking about the first key ingredient, that is Amla, it is infused with vitamin C, which helps to produce collagen, and also the vitamins, minerals and nutrients helps to increase scalp circulation. And Bringaraj on the other hand helps to prevent dandruff, itchiness, prevents hair fall and delays graying of hair. Now, this shampoo claims to say that it stops hair fall and promotes hair growth. Now, I can believe the first part, that it helps to stop hair fall to a certain extent because of the two main ingredients, that is Amla and Bringaraj, which are very important for your hair. But however, this shampoo can definitely not promote hair growth, and I think none of the shampoos can really do that, because hair growth is a very internal process. It highly depends on your lifestyle, diet and your hormones. So a shampoo definitely has nothing to do with your hair growth. So please do not fall for this claim that the shampoo makes. It also says that it makes your hair silky, smooth and adds shine, but that was not the case for me, as it made my hair dry, frizzy and did not add any shine to my hair. And especially girls and guys who have a very dry scalp, kindly refrain from using this shampoo, as I would definitely not recommend it. And another very important thing that is missing in the shampoo is that there is no mention of sulfates or parabens anywhere on the packaging, which is extremely important for a consumer, because I as a consumer want to know whether my shampoo consists of sulfates or parabens. So that is something the brand should definitely look into. So this brings us to the end of the review. If you are on a budget, you can definitely check out this shampoo, as the quality and quantity is fairly good for the price that it offers. But however, there are better brands available in the market if you are willing to spend a little more. This shampoo didn't work for me, as it did make my hair dry and frizzy, and also the fragrance is very overpowering, and I personally am not a big fan of that. And also the sulfate and paraben aspect is missing, which is very important for me as a consumer. So I would rate this product 2.5 out of 5. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, as I'll be coming up with a lot more honest reviews, makeup tutorials and DIY hacks. So until then, stay healthy and stay beautiful.